Hi there folks, welcome to this introduction to the Kelverion Integration Pack for SQL Server. The Integration Pack has recently been updated and now supports SQL databases on Azure, SQL Server 2014 and 2016, as well as XML data for the insert and update activities. Like all of our integration packs, it's fully supported. Let's take a look at the activities in the integration pack. So we have 8 activities. We have the capability to delete rows, run a query, update rows, insert rows, select from joined tables, run a store procedure, monitor a database row, and select from the database. So I am going to point to a local database first of all, and you will see that the integration pack takes care of a lot of the hard work with integrating with SQL. It understands the information schema. So when we connect, we can see a list of all the tables that are available, and the filters and published data understand the columns within those tables. So it's very straightforward to quickly configure the activities as you require them. So I'm going to connect now to an Azure database instead. You can see there's just a brief delay whilst we interrogate the information schema on Azure, and again we can see all of the tables which exist within the database, and for those tables, each of the columns that exist within the integration pack understands the columns and the data type to those columns as well, so it gives you appropriate queries. Okay, so we've configured up our select rows. I'm just going to add in now an insert rows so we can see the published data as it comes out of the select activity. So I'm just going to configure this up to point to a local database, and I'll select a table. Okay, so we are going to insert into the audit events table. Okay, so you can see now there's a mandatory field, but it also lists the optional fields as well. So into the unique ID field, you can see published data from the select rows, and it's as simple as selecting the event ID. There's no complicated splitting and parsing of comma separated data, it's all named data fields. And again, same as the case, you can see all of the rows that all of the columns that are published from the select, and that's our second activity configured. Okay, thank you very much for watching this introduction to the Kelverion Integration Pack for SQL Server. For more information on this or any of our other products, please visit www.kelverion.com.